And are you Mr. Hagan?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any applications?
No, Judge.
Okay. Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hagan, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
And state, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge, in both cases.
Mr. Hagan, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In the cause number ending in 1-4, you're charged with assault peace officer judge as a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 0-5, you're charged with burglary of a building. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days in the state jail facility and up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Count 1, paragraph A.
That's correct, Judge.
So in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into these pleas, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. And in the cause number ending in 0-5, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
That is a plea, Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then in cause number 2020 CR 7814, how do you plead?
No contest.
In cause number 2020 CR 11105 to paragraph A, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Judge, we have to say exhibit 1 and all attachments in both cases.
No objections.
All right, and state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainants?
Not in these cases, Judge.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. And each cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, not at this time.
What was going on with you?
Uh,
Bad day or what?
yeah, kind of, I was having a bad few years.
Mhm. So do you have family support?
Yeah, I do. I have my mom and my brothers.
Okay. And they're aware of what's going on with you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just waiting for Odyssey to pull up. All right, the court is going to follow your agreement. And in cause number 2020 CR 7814, the court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with DC 2020 CR 11105, 2026 CC 000452, CC 642388, CC 642339, taking consideration 2025 PF 1-49893. And I request the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
Nothing else, Judge.
All right. Then we'll move on to 2020 CR 11105. That cause number is previously stated, the court will find you guilty of paragraph A. Sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. Your credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with the following cause numbers: DC 2020 CR 7814, 2026 CC 000452, CC 642338, CC 642339, and taking consideration 2025 PF 49893. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that case?
No, Judge.
And each of those cause numbers, I'm sorry, now I'll ask for the therapeutic community as well.
Yes, Judge.
Go back to that. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So whatever your issues are, you're gonna have to figure out what they are and work your way through them, okay? The
Yes, ma'am.
therapeutic community doesn't keep you in custody any longer. It's just a design to help you, so you will not come before another court for any type of criminal case. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have the authority to force them to place you in the program, but they'll see in the judgment that I'm requesting it for you, but you'll have to request it as well. When you're released from prison, if for any reason you can't find a place that can help you with any issues you may have, if I'm still here, you come back here and I'll see what I can do. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
I just had one question because
Sure.
state jail time is day to day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I made parole on the 25% mark of the 5 year.
Mhm.
Would I still have to go to state jail for the remainder of that time?
Let me just tell you, legally, the answer to your question is yes. However, in actuality, I've seen it happen where they don't keep people. They'll release people even though you're supposed to be there day for day.
Right.
It just really depends. I have no jurisdiction over that. What I can just tell you is you'll spend 2 years there. You're supposed to. These cases going to run concurrently. So for whatever time you're doing on the prison case, it'll run with the state jail felony
Right.
case. So if you do 1 day there, you get credit for 1 day there. And then you get credit for any time that you've been in custody.
Right. Yeah, I was just wondering because 25% of the five years, a little bit less than 2 years.
No, yeah, I know. But that's all I can tell you.
Thank you, Judge. And I'll explain to him as well.
All right, thank you.